Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a continuity tester. A continuity tester is an item of electrical test equipment used to determine if an electrical path can be established between 2 points. That is, if an electric circuit can be made. And this part is inside of your multimeter. It's on board of your multimeter. Yeah, the indicator may be an electric light or a buzzer. In this case of this multimeter, it's a buzzer. This buzzing out a circuit, which means to test for continuity. Audible continuity buzzer or beepers are built into some models of multimeter, like mine multimeter as shown here. First step, use your black and your red wire to lock the black in COM and the red wire in DVOM. Then set the multimeter to wire test and then switch the multimeter on. With this procedure, you are able to check if your cable is broken or your cable is in a good shape. So now this is a setting, and let's check a cable. We will check the cable of second cable of my multimeter. This is the same like an energy cable or some other cables. It's only electronic line. So let's start. We switch on the multimeter, then go on one side with the red wire and go on the other side of the cable with the black wire. It is not important then on the right side or left side, because it's no plus or minus area. It's only a line continuity test. It's a little bit tricky, as you can see, for me, but if you are if you are doing this at home, it's easier. So there it was, the buzzer. There was a noise. So this line is in a good shape. It is not broken. Good job. Let's do it again. The red and the black wire. The red on one side of the cable, the black on the other side of the cable. And then the multimeter is on. The setting is set, and let's have a test. Yeah, let's go. The noise will give us information. If the buzzer is not giving you a beep or electronic light information, the line is broken, and then you are able to replace it. Good job, easy. After this, switch the multimeter off and job's done. So easy it is. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.